There we go. That is what I like to see. So, no more misfires. Good morning, guys. How's it going? It's been a little while since I've done a diag video. Been super busy. Doing a lot of AC work, actually. So, but AC is kind of boring. So, anyways, 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. We have a P0300 random misfire and P0304, which is sound for misfire. Coils and spark plugs have been done on this, so this might be a fun one. We might get to play with the scope a little bit. Let's go see what it's doing. It might be a lackluster of a situation. Basically, I had one misfire on my test drive, so all I did was I pulled out the plug. Just gonna look to see if there's any weird oil deposits or anything like that. No, it looks pretty tanny, not too bad. So all I'm gonna do is the old swap Gnostics, just because it's not happening enough. So I can't even get it to do it in the shop. It only misfired once on a road test. So we're gonna do a coil swap. We're gonna go back for another big drive, and we're gonna see if I see a misfire on cylinder 3. Obviously, this coil is just intermittently misfiring. Oh, there we go. That's what I like to see. So we swapped that from 4 to 3. I just tromped on it, and I really got a good misfire there at 20. So I know that I have a bad coil. As much as it's fun to play with the scope sometimes, swap Gnostics can be pretty easy and give you good results pretty quick. So a little swap Gnostics, found that one of the coils we put in a few weeks back fortunately prematurely failed. So yeah, so we'll get a new coil and we'll throw it in. Should be all good to go. There we go. That is what I like to see. So no more misfires. Simple fix, simple diag. So the old swap Gnostics.